guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am gonna be deep cleaning my fridge. My fridge is a freaking mess. I'm sorry, my kids are right there. They are. It's a weekend. They're like, can you lower your voice please? So I'm sorry, it's a weekend and they're home with me. I don't have anywhere to put them, so you can be hearing them in the background. And yeah, so I am gonna be deep cleaning my fridge. It's not even nice at all. It's so disgusting. I feel like I'm always in a head tie every time I talk to you guys, but this is how I like to feel, like to look when I'm not working. I like to be comfortable, just because I do a lot of cleaning around my house and organizing and all that. So it's a weekend, that's why I'm always filming on the weekend, because I go to work Monday to Friday, so I don't have time to like actually dress up. Anyways, I'm gonna be deep cleaning my fridge and show you guys before and after. I'm gonna be scrubbing everything out because it's so disgusting, and I'm going grocery shopping after. So it's gonna be a productive Sunday for me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and hit that notification bell. It will let you know when I upload. Thank you so much. As always, I will catch you guys in my next video. Enjoy the video, guys. Bye. Okay, so this is what my fridge look like on the outside. I have some pictures from my daughter's daycare that I made for me and for the whole family. And as you can see, my door handle is broken, so I usually just open it door, like the fridge door, from the side. And this is my horrible fridge, guys. Like, I don't know the last time I cleaned in here. I kept buying groceries and I don't clean it out. I just keep adding more of stuff that I already have sometimes, and I have some leftover foods that I don't even know when I like put them in there, and so many things that need to be thrown out. But today is the day that I am ready to work with this stuff. Like, it's just a freaking mess. I have no space to put anything anymore. I don't even know the expiry date for some stuff in there. So just because I feel bad, like I will have like leftover food, but like I can't throw it out just because like I'm like, oh, it's money, it's food. But at the end of the day, I don't eat them. We don't eat them. So good thing I'm gonna be going through everything, and I'm going grocery shopping after. And because honestly, I know by the time I finish, I'm gonna be throwing pretty much everything out from my fridge, and we don't have any food. So I am ready to clean and organize this fridge right now. I don't like what I'm looking at. It's horrible. It's a pile up. So yeah, just need to show you guys really quick. Look at the bottom of my fridge. I think the veggies are like getting rotten in there. It's so gross. I hate this. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I'm gonna start by taking everything out and put them on my dining table and put them like on the kitchen counter. So this is not in order by any chance. I just put everything down here. I tried to organize it. I'm just gonna be going through it one by one. So I'm gonna start over here. I just put everything on my dining table because it's gonna be easier for me to put away. So starting from this corner over here, I have some green peas. My daughters eat these a lot, especially when I cook rice for them. I have some chicken and rice soup because I have been really sick, and I got some chicken noodle soup that I'm gonna be eating a lot because I'm so stuffy and I'm still sick. I can't get rid of my cold. Like, it's been like 2 weeks. I got some sugar, flour, some red rose tea. I got some white rice, some elbow macaroni, pasta. I got some coffee, and this yellow package that you're looking at, they're the no-name brand, and like you can see no-name brand over here, and they're like so cheap compared to like regular brand name and stuff like that. So I got them in some, I got some of them in like you'll find them like my flour, rice, and some other stuff. I just thought I should tell you guys. And coffee and some chocolate bar. My daughter Layla loved this so much. And yeah, and this one's at the chocolate chip bar. And I got some Rice Krispies. Yes?
But Layla and me still.
Yeah, Malika also loved this so much. She eat them all the time, right, Malika? And I Rice Krispies and Cheerios, some extra virgin olive oil because that's all I cook with. I got some onions, white potatoes, some bagel for my breakfast in the morning, and some white bread. And these are just like the Wonder white bread and sliced bread. The beer batter. Sorry, this dropped. I got some fish fillet, some juice box for my daughters, and some orange juice for breakfast in the morning, and some celery. I'm gonna be making some chicken noodle soup later after I finish those ones in the can. I got some mac and cheese. I got about 6 of this. Sometimes my daughters just go crazy, that's all they want to eat. I got some shampoo and hair conditioner, this too, and these ones are for my friends when they come over, and I just like to have because they don't use my own shampoos. So I bought this for them. I got it's already dripping. I got some lettuce, iceberg lettuce, some what is this called? Oh God, my brain is frozen. What is this called again? Broccoli. My goodness, I got some broccoli. I got some broccoli for some dinner night, and some chicken thigh and some chicken breast. I just love them so much, and my kids love chicken thigh. I just use them to cook my pasta, rice, whatever that it's just so easy to cook and so yummy. I got some eggs, and this ones are I like the Freyron's eggs. I don't know, they're pretty pricey, but I like them to be organic when it comes to eggs. I got some apples over here, some carrots, and I also picked up some tangerines. I got some deodorant, hot dog bread. Got some baby shampoo for maybe Lila and Malika friends come over for a sleepover. They can have the shampoo.
No.
Yes.
That's only for Rory when she comes.
Yeah, I know. That's only for her when she comes for sleepover. Yes. Yeah. So I also have like a pull up for like my goddaughter when she comes over to spend the night with us. So she usually spend about 1 or 2 nights sometimes, and then I got this for her. It's a pull up and some milk, and it's the 2% milk. It's the 2% milk, and I think, yeah, I got some Ziploc. This is always useful. Some yogurt, and this is the Activia yogurt, and my daughters only eat the vanilla ones. They don't eat the strawberries and other ones. They only eat the plain vanilla one. Hey guys, I got some ranch dressing for salads, and yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got some hand wash soap. My brain is just not working. And I got cucumbers, and yeah. Oh yeah, I got some corns over here. I got 2 of them for my kids. Sometimes they just want to eat corn on the side of their food. So yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. That's pretty much everything. I'm so sorry, like my kids were just so distracting when I was filming this, and they were just asking me and distracting me and just fighting and arguing and all of that. So anyways, I got the chance to film it. Like, they're still making noise. I'm sorry guys, like I can't really help that. So I got a chance to film it. Like, they're just so crazy tonight. I don't know, I think they're just high on sugar. Anyway, thank you so much for sticking by, and then make sure you subscribe. It will mean so much to me. Please make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.